Hey guys, today we're going to go over how to change the theme of your gauge cluster on your 2025 and up Explorer. This does not apply to the 2020 to 24s, to my knowledge. Should just be the 25s and up. It may be earlier on the ST models. This is an ST line, but all of the 2025s should follow the same procedure. So right now, as you can see, it is blue. If I want to change that, the other options are green or bronze. I'll show you that in a second. What you'll want to do is you'll want to come over here to your settings, and then you want to go to display. Once you're in display, you'll see theme, which right now is blue. I also have copper, which will change it to look like this. And then you also have green, which will change it to look like this. Now, the only menus that I have really noticed it change is just the overall background and then this little design on the fuel economy section. It also changes the color of both the speedometer as well as the tach, your engine RPM as it goes up and down. But those are the only things I've really noticed it change. It adds more of like a dark mode feel to it in copper, or like a luxury. Almost feels like you have a platinum or a King Ranch edition instead of just either an active or an ST line. Kind of gives you that luxury feel. But that will be how you change the theme on the newer Explorers. The 2025 and up primarily, may work on previous models, and that'll be it, guys. So if you like the video, go ahead and drop a like, drop a comment, let me know what you want to see next. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Only about 1% of the viewers that are watching these videos are subscribed right now, and we really need that extra bump to help get our videos out there to more viewers, more people, so we can do better things like modifications, engine overviews, full walk-arounds, stuff like that. I really want to do a DIY mod series for you guys, and I'm probably going to do it. I've got a bunch of different little low budget mods that we can do to this thing and that you guys can do to yours that will greatly stand out. So go ahead and let me know what you guys think about that, and I will see you guys next week.